Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the latest beauty lip box from Mecca. So let's get into it. So I am a level 2. Make sure you comment down below what level you are, what you got in your box this quarter. So the first product is very exciting. It is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is one of my favourite setting sprays, and it looks like we got the mini version. So that's it there. It's nice to travel with, should we ever be able to travel again. But yeah, that's a great one to add in the box. It's pretty exciting. I love the product. Next, we have a little sample from Lila B, the Egg Glow Priming Oil. So that's just the sample there. I think it's just, maybe a hydrating serum. I'm not sure. If you've tried the product, let me know. But, there's no information in the box. So I can't really tell you much more than that. Next, we have a Bay 19 sample. Looks to be a perfume. It's just a little tiny vial, and it's just the oil. Like, if you're gonna give us a perfume sample, at least give us like the ones with the spray on it. Like, I don't use just the oil ones. I just give me the sprayer at least so I can use it. And the last thing in the box is this little Glow Recipe sample. It is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So that looks really fun. I've heard nothing but great things about Glow Recipe, so it'll be fun to try out one of their products. So those are the 4 samples in the box that I got in my level 2 box this quarter. Let's just say I'm excited about the setting spray and the Glow Recipe product, but these two don't really get me excited. The fragrance doesn't even have a sprayer on it, which is very annoying. And this serum, I don't really know anything about it, or it's an oil or whatever. I'm not quite sure. Like, it just doesn't look fun. Whereas this and this, they look really fun. So yeah, that's everything I got in my little box this quarter. Please let me know in the comments what level you are and what you got in your box. What did you think of the box? What did you think of my box? And have you used any of these products, and what do you think of them? So yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.